Welcome my dear students for online class from Manikarjor LL Model High School. Dear students, now I am going to discuss on English second paper for the SSC students. Today's topic changing sentence, Rajshahi Board 2015. Going to next step. Dear students, bring concentration and notice carefully. A flower is a glowing gift of nature. Interrogative. You have to change it to interrogative from assertive. While changing into interrogative, you have to set auxiliary verb before subject. You have to bring auxiliary verb before subject. Here subject is flower. Here subject is a flower, and verb is. The students, you have to set auxiliary verb before subject. First, you have to write ISS, IS is, and then the sentence, if the sentence is affirmative, you have to change into negative. If the sentence is negative, you have to change into affirmative. Dear students, this sentence is affirmative, so you have to add inbreed not NT with auxiliary verb is. N apostrophe T isn't, and you have to write subject A FLOWER flower, and then you have to write next part of this sentence, a glowing gift of nature. A GLOWING glowing, GIFT gift of NATORE nature, and you have to set question marks at the end of the sentence. Question B. Notice, isn't it the symbol of love and beauty? Assertive. Dear students, you have to change into assertive. Firstly, while changing into affirmative, you have to set auxiliary verb after subject. Here auxiliary verb is, and you have to cut NT. The students, you can write, firstly you have to write subject, IT, it. Here subject is it. And you have to set auxiliary verb after subject is, and then you have to cut NT, and you have to write next part of this sentence. Because if the sentence is affirmative, you have to change into negative. The sentence is negative, you have to change into affirmative. So you can write the next part of this sentence. The SYMBOL symbol OF of LOVE love and BEAUTY crystal. Christians, it is the symbol of love and beauty. The sentence has been assertive. Going to next step. C. Notice, my dear students, flowers are used on different occasions. Flowers are used on different occasions. Active. Dear students, first you have to select object by to add with, after by to add with. But there is no object in this sentence, and you have to select identify sub-auxiliary verb. Here, there is no auxiliary in this sentence. But you can think, sir, this is auxiliary. R here is R auxiliary verb. Dear students, there is no auxiliary because B3 has been used after this verb. B3 used has been used after this verb. So this is the next word. According to the rules of voices. According to the rules of voices. First we have to write subject according to the meaning of this sentence. WE, we. You have to write subject. You have to bring subject according to the meaning of this sentence. Flowers are used on different occasions. In Bengali meaning, ফুলগুলো বিভিন্ন উপলক্ষে ব্যবহার করা হয়। যদি প্রশ্ন করি কারা ব্যবহার করে, আসলে তারা এখানে নেই, আসলে আমরা ব্যবহার করি। সেজন্য আমরা এখানে সাবজেক্ট হিসাবে উই ধরব। Dear students, I hope that you have understood better. You have to set auxiliary, but there is no auxiliary in this sentence. You have to go into next step. You have to cut extra word. If you cut am is there, you have to set B1 instead of B3. This was used, UAC, use, B1. And you have to write object. And you have to write object before, after use. This will notice, this is subject. You have to change into object, flowers. And it is used after principal verb, flowers. FLOWERS, flowers. And then you have to write next part of this sentence, on different occasions. When on, DIFFERENT, different, OCCASIONS, occasions. Going to next step, D. We present flower to our nearest and dearest person. Dear students, you have to send into passive. First, you have to identify subject and verb. Question, is there any auxiliary in this sentence? Dear students, there is no auxiliary in this sentence. So, you have to find this formula, B1, B1 plus yes, B1, B1 plus yes or yes, and B2. Firstly, this student notice, this is subject. We subject, and subject verb is used after subject. So present is verb and object is used after principal verb. So flower is object, subject, verb, object. Here verb is B1. So you have to extra word. You have to bring extra word, am is there. The students, firstly you have to write object, FLOWER, flower. Flower is singular subject. Here flower is singular subject, so you have to write is, is. And then you have to set principal, you have to set B3 instead of B1. PRESENTE, represented. And then you have to write next part of this sentence, to our nearest and dearest persons. To OUR, our, NEAREST, nearest and DEAREST, dearest, PERSONS, dearest person. And you have to set by, by, because subject is personal. Here it is personal service, so you have to set object instead of we. Object as, you as us. The students, I hope you have better, you have understood better. Going to next step. Question D, question E, sorry. Question E, we need flowers to decorate a place, complex. The students, question is this sentence simple or compound? Exactly. The students, this sentence is simple and sentence is simple because one subject and one finite verb and 2 plus b1 in this sentence. 2 plus b1 infinitive phrase. So if you find 2 plus b1 while changing into complex, you have to come so that plus subject can put might plus b1 plus extension. The students firstly have to write we need flowers. WENWD need FLOWERS flowers so that TACT so that instead of 2 so that you have to set so that instead of 2 and you have to bring subject. You have to set subject from principal course. Here subject we. You have to write we. And then you have to set can could may might. Exactly here need is this verb. Here need this verb. This verb is gone, so you have to use can because this if the sentence is sure you have to use can. If the sentence is unsure you have to use may. So you can use can, 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 and then you have to write next part of the sentence after to. Decorate a place. DECORATE. Decorate a PLACE. Just when this sentence has been complex from simple. You can use change into uh, simple to complex by using this formula, by using this rules. F. The roses, the rose is, dear students, the rose is the best of all flowers. The rose is the best of all flowers, positive. This one's question is this sentence superlative or superlative or comparative? Exactly, this sentence is superlative because there is a tools in this sentence, the plus adjective 3. If you find the tools, the plus adjective 3, you have to come positive. By changing to positive, you have to come no other dot dot s plus adjective 1s. This means firstly you have to write no other, NOOTAC, no other, and then you have to write flower. The students flowers. you have to write flower because singular subject and singular subject and singular verb are used before no other. Before, after no other. After no other. Singular subject and singular verb after no other. So you have to write flower and you have to cut S. Flower, flower, and you have to set singular verb here. Verb is, so you have to set is, is, and you have to set as, and then you have to set adjective one, good, better, best. Here adjective best, good, better, best. B1 good, G good, and you have to set as, and you have to set a subject in this sentence. TAC, the ROS, rose. This rules you can change into another rules. You can use another rules. ORO. VERY, very, FEW, very few. The students, as flowers is plural, so you can use very few. And then you have to flowers. You have to write after adjective 3. And you have to cut off all and you have to write flowers. FLOWERS, flowers. ARER, you have to set. The students carefully or attentively, you should remember that plural verb and plural subject and plural verb are used after very few. So you have to use set, you have to set R, and then you have to write in this way, as good as, GWD good, ASS, and you have to write principal, you have to write subject in this sentence, TAC, the ROS, rose. The students, you can send into positive by using this formula. Z. Having sweet scent and beauty, we love it very much. Compound. Dear students, you have to change into compound. But this question, is this sentence simple or complex? Exactly, this sentence is simple. Only one subject, one final verb in this sentence. So this sentence is simple, and you have to, while changing into compound, you have to come and you have to come and. The students, this is participle, present participle phrase, and this is principal. We love it very much. This is principal clause. First, you have to set subject from principal clause. Subject, here subject is we. You have to write we, and then you have to set have a set instead of having. We plural subject, so you have to set have, ACABE, have, SWEET. You have to write. You have to write next part of this clause: sweet, scent, and beauty. Sweet, SENT, scent, BEAUTY, beauty, and you have to set and 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 you have to cut or silent we after and you have to next part of this sentence, love it very much. LOVE, love, IT, it, BERY, very, MUCS, very much. We have we have sweet scent and beauty and love it very much. The students, this sentence has been compound. Going to next. It is the lovelier all than all other flowers. Superlative. The students, notice. Question: is this sentence uh, positive or comparative? Exactly, this sentence is comparative because adjective to plus than in this sentence, adjective to plus than all other. So this sentence is comparative. You have to change it to superlative by using this formula. First, you have to write subject and verb. While changing into superlative, comparative to superlative, there is no change subject and verb. I is is it is it is, and then you have to set the TAC, it is the, and you have to set loveliest instead of lovelier. LOVELIEST, loveliest. And you have to cut then all other, and you have to set of all, flower of all, because this you have to cut then all other, you have to set in of all instead of then all other. Of a double L, all, of all, and you have to write next part, flowers. FLOWERS, flowers. It is the loveliest of all flowers. It is the loveliest of all flowers. Going to next step. The rose is very nice flower. Exclamatory. Dear students, you have to change into exclamation sentence. If you find very great really, you have to change into exclamatory. First, you have to write how or what plus the operation instead of very or great. Question I. You have to write how. The students, the rose is a. The students, is a very nice flower. Exactly, there is a article in this sentence, but this is wrong. The rose is a. Exactly a. You have to set what? WACT. What? The students, a. The rose is a. The rose is a very nice flower. ফুলটি হচ্ছে একটি সুন্দর, খুব সুন্দর ফুল। ফুলটি হচ্ছে একটি খুব সুন্দর ফুল। What a NIC, nice, FLOWER. What a nice flower. And you have to set subject and verb. The ROS, rose, ISS. And you have to set exclamation marks at the end of this sentence. Or if there is no article before very, So what a nice flower the rose is. Going to next step. Question J. This was noticed as the demand for flowers is increasing day by day, we should cultivate flowers on commercial basis. Exactly, as this was noticed uh, is the sentence uh, is the sentence complex or compound. You have to change it to simple. Why this will notice as and two subject to find it in this sentence. So this sentence is complex sentence. If you find as, you have to come simple. You have to while changing into simple, you have to come because of. You have to come because of instead of as. First, you have to say because of. BECAUSE because of, and then you have to write. This will notice this sentence is continuous, so you have to cut is and as the rules is beyond plus ing because of plus possessive plus beyond plus ing. So here auxiliary is cut. You have to cut auxiliary and you have to write increasing because of increasing. INCREASI is increasing. They increasing, you have to write the demand for flowers. The DEMAND, demand, for FLOWERS, flowers. Demand for flowers. Day by day. You have to write day by day. DAY, day, VY by DAY, day. Day by day. And you have to set you have to set comma, and then you have to set comma. You have to next part of this sentence. We should cultivate flowers on commercial basis. We, as I saw you already, should CULTIVAT, cultivate, FLOWER, on, COMMERCIAL, BASIS, commercial, commercial basis. Dear students, notice, because of increasing the demand for flowers day by day, we should cultivate flowers on commercial basis. This sentence has been simple. You can change into simple from complex by using this formula, using the rules of simple from complex. The students, question A, carefully notice again. If the article an before berry, you have to use if the article if the article, if there is no article before very or great, you have to set how. And being article, if it is article before very or great, you have to set what plus a oblique n. A oblique n. So you have to set, because the rose is a very nice flower. The rose is very nice flower. বাংলা গোলাপ ফুলগুলো হচ্ছে অত্যন্ত চমৎকার ফুল। গোলাপ হচ্ছে একটি চমৎকার ফুল। গোলাপ হচ্ছে খুব সুন্দর ফুল। Dear students, you can use this formula while changing into exclamation sentence by using this way. So my dear students, see you next time. I will arrive with a new video. Have a good day till this. And if you like my video, you will subscribe and share.